YouTube, what's going on? It's Alejandro, and I'm one of the members of the Kerti-Valentin family. Now in today's video, we're doing a haircut tutorial, starting off with the number 2 guard close, and we are working our way all the way around the head, knocking down the bulk. Nah, not the Hulk. The bulk.
Okay.
Alright, so continue on, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and join the Kerti-Valentin family today. Alright guys, now continue around the head. All you're doing is setting up your canvas for the fade. Alright, so on my stun, I'm doing a mid-high skin fade. So I'm going to start off with the clipper close, and right where the C cut would begin, I'm going to create my first soft ball line. Now I'm going to use my trimmers to bald out. Typically when I use my trimmers, I go in afterwards and hit it with the shaver. But on kids, I just like to really just go in with the trimmers. They do go pretty low to the skin, and they do leave a nice clean finish. I don't want to irritate the skin too much with the shaver, so I'll go in with the trimmers. Alright, next step. We got the clipper open, going up about 1 inch. We're gonna wrap that around the head. And yeah, all I'm doing is giving myself enough playroom, wiggle room to really stretch out the fade. Now I'm using a fade up technique. So I start off with the clipper close to help soften up the bottom line from the trimmer. Put the lever into the middle, using corners, flicking out, open it up, and I just work my way back down. Again, stretching out the skin, using the corners. Alright, right here guys, we got the trimmer. We came back with the trimmers to help soften up the line that it left behind that the clipper close couldn't really knock out. Again, use the corners and just flick out. Came back with the clipper closed to help knock out any hard lines that the trimmer left behind. Alright, so it's coming along. You can definitely see where it needs to be detailed at, but not bad for right now. Alright, this one right here, I got the number 1 guard going up about 1 inch. Then I'm gonna come back with the 1/16 guard close, and I'm flicking out that bottom line. It does help soften it up a lot, but you can still see there's a faint line there, so I'll come back with the clipper open, using my corners and just flicking out. So all I'm doing right here, just cleaning any dark areas that I see, using corners, stretching out the skin. Alright, so right here guys, I came back with the clipper open, and I'm using the corners to help knock out any dark areas that I see. It's coming along, the fade's coming along, but it still needs to be detailed a bit more. So right here, I came back with the trimmers. I'm using the corners of it to help soften up that bottom line. It's still a faint line, so I came back. You know, right now the fade's looking pretty good. You know, I do see some areas where it still needs some detailing, so I'll go back to that and hit it later. Keep coming back to that trimmer. Now typically when I first started off barbering, I would be afraid to kind of come back and go into the fade with a trimmer, but at this stage I'm a free spirit when it comes to fading now. You know, I look at it, it's a canvas, so I'm just stretching out the fade, erasing any lines, not being scared. Look at that, the camera knows it's blurry. Looking pretty good though, it's looking pretty nice. It's coming along. It is coming along pretty well. Now right here, I came back with the 1/16, and I'm using the corners to help soften up any dark areas on the higher side of the fade. You know, if you guys are new to this channel, you know, definitely check out our other videos. We do food challenges. We got a giveaway going on right now for some Fortnite gift cards. But whew, look at that fade. Ooh, 10s all the way around, baby. Kobe. All right, but this top area right here, I'm gonna go in with the 1.5 guard close, and I'm just gonna take down that bolt. That should transition into the 1 guard, but I do come back with the 1 open and kind of, you know, use my corners and kind of blend into the 1.5. All right, there's the cut, man. This side is looking pretty nice, you know, pretty nice. I think I'm gonna start working on the other side. Alright, so typically what you do on one side, you want to transition it over to the next. So I'm gonna speed this process up. You guys just enjoy it. Alright guys, that's the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this haircut tutorial. As you can see from this angle, that fade is looking blurry. Comment down below if you guys want to see more haircut tutorials. Also check out our other videos and subscribe to the Kerti-Valentin family. Yeah.